वंदे गुरुं पदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यप्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं श्रीनन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजनसमायुक्तं वृन्दावनमनोहरं नीलाम्बुजश्यामलकोमलाङ्गं सीतासमारोपितवामभागं पाणौ महासायकचारुचापं नमामि रामं रघुवंशनाथम् आपदामपहन्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. I first offer my Danvat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs, Nitla Pristom Vishnupad Ashtotar Sat Sri Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Gosai Maharaj, Nitla Pristom Vishnupad Ashtotar Sat Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Gosai Maharaj, all Sri Rupanuguru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. So last Thursday you heard how Bharat visit to Ramchandra. How Ramchandra gave nice instruction to Bharat, saying dharma is permanent. So any cause, any way, we cannot live to dharma. We have to follow own dharma. So dharme nidhanam shreya par dharmo bhayava. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also saying, Shreyan swadharma viguna par dharma swanutishtitat swadharme nidhanam shreyo par dharmo bhayava. So Bharat, we cannot live this dharma. Na kaman, na lobhan, na bhayat, dharmam tajet, jivitasya hetu. Dharmo nityo sukh dukho tu anityo. By calm, by greed, by love, by any way, we cannot live to dharma. Dharmam tajet na jivitasya hetu. Even death is front, but that situation also follow to dharma. Because dharma is eternal and sad and happiness coming and going. This is temporary. So jivitasya hetu dharmo nityo sukh dukh heturtu anitya. So Bharat returned Ajodhya, took Ramchandra's wooden shoes, putting on head and putting that shoes on Singhasan. You heard this all katha. And Bharat Maharaj staying in Nandigram, Ajodhya full of opulence, full of bhogas, but Bharat nothing touching anything. Tehi pura Bharat basau binu anuraga chancharik jimi champak baga. Like bumbles, honeybees, bumbles stay in champak garden. What called champak is flower. But that bumble never touch that flower. So Bharat Maharaj stay Ajodhyas like that. No any attachment, no anything. Always just chant Ram, Ram, Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai. This side Prabhus in Chitrakoot doing many leelas. This all katha heard. Many rishis munis are coming, visiting to him. Because this is the one cause of Prabhu's came to forest. He liked to give all rishis munis darshan. And his associate Rishi Munis Mahatma who have high bhajan, high educated, for them what? Even very fallen people, very lower people who are staying in forest, who are staying in village, not so much learned. But Ram give mercy, all of them. When Ramchandra walking one village to another village, all male and females are running They leaving all work and take darshan. Some are not home on heart. Prabhu came and gone. He is running behind or maybe 10 kilometers after catching or taking darshan and feeling happy. Who are very old, cannot go, sick, cannot go. They just hearing from them and they feel happy. One day Ram, Sita, Lakshman walking, feel tired. So one nice trees like to little take rest. Lakshman put some leaves asans. Ram Sita Devi sitting and Lakshman also sitting, and there's some pond, some well taking water. Many ladies came for water. Some ladies, village ladies came to close to Sita Devi asking, who are you, from where came, who is them, these two people? Because ladies sometimes go to Mataji, go to close to Mataji talk. Saying this, you can say, who is he? And Sita Devi saying, who is Jangar? He is my husband's brother. And who is this black color, dark color? Just he is my something telling Sita feel shy, and then all ladies understood he is his Pati's, this husband. So this was doing leelas and forest, all coal, wheel, hunters,
jungle people,
what called wild peoples, no jungle, forest peoples, no culture, nothing. But when they took darshan of Ramchandra, all sanskar, all bhakti, all mood came. They're saying, this is your darshan's power. We are so cruel, we are so hard, no any softness in heart. But when I look you, we feel very soft. We whole life just stealing another person things, never giving anything. But now we are becoming so kind, not taking anything from you. We like give you some flowers, some fruits, some water. This is our big seva. According to our nature, Nath kol bhilkar ei sevekai lehi na basan bhusan chorai. We are not stealing your cloth or anything. This is our big service. We are offering something. Only your darshan's power, this time nature, change. This time happen. Ramchandra, this all word hearing, like mother, father hearing on children's very broken language, like papa, mama, anything telling mother, father's very happy. You said that finding meaning, he's saying father, mother, something. Maybe no telling fully, but one later they find out all meaning. So वेद बचन मुनि मन अगम सो प्रभु करुणा ऐन सुनत किरातन बचन किरातन के सुनत जिमि पितु बालक बैन. Who is Prabhu? Ved bachan muni mana agama. Veds many times trying to describe, explain about him, but they also not reaching fully. They also saying, know this much, know this much. Muni also not entrance fully. Died Bhagavan, died mercies, karunas. Hearing all forest people's birds very happily, very softly. So attachment. This way Bhagavan giving everyone mercy. They walk to Chitrakud to Dankaranya, middle one, Asur came, his name is Birad, very strong. He attacked to Ram Lakshmanan. He took to Sita Devi. For a moment, Ramchandra becomes so upset and saying, Lakshman, what happened this? Now I can realize why Kaikeyi sent to forest us. Look which type problem now coming. That time big fight came on. This man said, you cannot kill to me because I have some special benediction only. Any weapons cannot kill me. Then Ramchandra said to Lakshman, make one hole. Big hole digging, and both brothers took him and put inside hole and covered by mud. So no weapons, but he died. After they went to Atris Munis visiting, and also Agast Munis in Dankaranya, he all Katha heard last Thursday, and Bank of Godavari is making kutis and staying. That time Marich came, Raman came. This Kathas you heard yesterday, Thursdays. So we can hear just briefly when Raman kidnapped to Sita Devi. Ramchandra is returning when this deer said, "Ha, Lakshman, ha, Sita." So Ramchandra realized it's not good. If Lakshman hears Sita Devi here, maybe Lakshman leave to Sita and come to see me. At that time, any Asura can kill them to Sita. The same thing happened. Raman came and took to Sita on plane and very fast running. Because Lakshman is not there, Ram is not there. If any person wrong way start to walk, immediate lose his energy, his power, his all goodness. Raman so much fear. Raman is one famous personality. By his name, Indra, Kuber, Barun, all Lokpal, Dikpals are shaking. All are doing pranams. All are surrender to him. But today that Raman become like one dog. Like some house, no one, and dog, empty house, come and something take from pot. And after running, he know I'm taking something. If owner see me, then he will beat me. So it's run. So Raman similarly is running and looking here, there, some are watching or not. That time Sita Devi so much start to cry. Ha Raghubir, ha Raghunayak. What I did offense, you are so kind, you are so merciful, but today cannot hear my sound. Ha Lakshman, this is not your fault. What I spoke, very hard for you, this result I got. This time Sita Devi was crying. At that time Jatau, who is the friend of Dasharatha Maharaj, is vulture form, big devotees of Ram. He heard that time he's saying, "Oh Devi, oh daughter Sita, don't worry. I will stop this person." So that time Jatau very angry and attacking to Raman, saying, "Oh foolish, you saying I am very big hero, but why you running like that? For a moment, you wait. When Ramchandra will come, then you can take Sita from him." But Raman no hearing, is like to quickly return to home. That time this bird vulture very fast flying. Raman looking, who is this? He is very big because he is family of Gadura. Actually, Vinita's two sons. One is Gadur, one is Arun. Arun is driver of sun horses. So from Arun, Jatau and Sampati, two brothers took birth. He's like Gadur's brother's son. So like Gadur become uncle of Jatau and Sampati. So they are very strong, very powerful. But Jatau old, 60,000 years is staying that area. And he ruling that Dankar, and he was king of that area. And he was friend of Dasharatha Maharaj. And heard my daughter is crying. Dasharatha is my friend, so is my daughter. So he attacking Raman like Jamraj, very fast coming. That time Raman little scared. Who is this person? Who is this? This is Mainak. This is mountain of Mainak, big. Which very big. Then thinking Raman, this is Gadur, because Gadur this much fast can run. But Gadur how can come? He know about me with his Prabhu Vishnu. Who am I? Ki Mainak ke khagpati hoy, more prabhav jan pati soy. If Gadura, then he know my power. But when very close came Jatau, then Raman say, "Oh, this old Jatau." Little laughing. Jatau saying, "I'm enough for you. Leave this Sitas and go. Ram will not do anything. Otherwise, your snake hole putting your hand, you know who's Ram is playing with Gadur." like many birds telling, but Raman's no hearing. Then he took his hair and pulling from plane, and drop on ground, and by beak hitting to here there, like biting. And Raman's too much blood bleeding, and for a moment he's unconscious. After when he came conscious, he's very angry, took out sword and cut his feather. Wind, feather, wind. And then his drop, Ha Ram, Ha Ram, Ha Ram. And then Raman very fast running, no? He's too much scared. No more waiting there. So Raman gone, and then Ramchandra came to Kutis, telling to Lakshman, without my permission, why you left to Sita? Then Lakshman said, Prabhu, what I can say? She spoke some word what cannot tolerate. This is out of belief. This cause I left. She's saying, oh, this is Bharat plan. You are Bharat side meeting and you looking this situation. Many bird telling, so I cannot tell to you. When Ramchandra came, then looking Kutias empty, that time he start to crying, Ha Sita, Ha Sita. For a moment telling, oh, maybe you are making jokes with me, maybe somewhere hiding, but now it's not jokes time. I'm really suffer. I'm really unhappy. I'm really so much sad. Where are you? Just come to front. Oh Sita, don't play to my life like this. Start to Ram. Ha khaga ha mriga. Sreni, tumahi dekhi Sita mriga nain. That time Ramchandra asking to birds and deers, cuckoos, peacocks, trees, creepers, everyone's banana trees, elephant and all animals and living and moving and unmoving, everyone asking, anyone saw Sita's? Tell me, where she is, where she is. That time Ramchandra saying, look, today you are not here, then all are now very happy. Because they got kingdom. How long you here? That time no was anyone kingdom. Dear, when look you, so feel shy. Because your eyes, dear eyes cannot defeat to your eyes. This creeper cannot defeat to your hands creepers. Means your beauties is all beautiful things cannot defeat. They are defeated by you. This because they are not so that time happy. But now we are not here, then they're thinking, now my kingdom came. This time Ram stop. Why talking, whom talking, what talking, don't know, so much suffering. That time Lakshman pacifying to Ramchandra, Prabhu. Ramchandra asking, you can tell me who am I? Lakshman saying, you are Dasarat Maharaj's son, you are Arjas. I am Dasarat Maharaj's son, I am Arja, I am Ajodhya's. Yes, then why am I in forest? What I am doing? And oh, we came Banvas with Sita. Where's Sita's? Like this step then. You are Ram, don't do like this. Then I am Ram, like many, but speak like one mad, intoxicated people. So after they look into Sita Devi's, then they saw to Jatau. He is dropping on earth and just chanting name of Ramchandra. Ramchandra came touching him and all his pain take off on asking. Then all things said, Raman took to Sita Devi. He went to south direction and he beat to me. Then Ramchandra saying, oh, I like to your life live. I can keep forever you. Then said no. Many sadhan bhajan doing, but this time not situation coming. Everyone have to leave this world. But living time, if front Ram come or Ram name come, that life is no success. Ante Narayan Smriti, Etvan Sankha Yoga Bhyam, Swadharma, Parinishthaya, Janma Lava, Parapunsam, Ante Narayan Smriti. By all sadhans, last result, when departing that time, name of Bhagavan come only. But today's not names coming, you also front to me. So just Prabhu, permission, I can go. Ramchandra said, by your sukritis, by your service, you getting your place. Because who help to another person, that person nothing this world no. To get, they are getting everything. So without any, selfish is so much serve. So by your service, you going to your place. That time this vulture left his body. Gid deh taji dhari hari rupa. Basan bahupit basan bhusan bahupit anupa. Syam gat visal bhujachari. Astuti karat nayan bhariba. That time this vulture left and he become four-hand. Gid deh taji dhari hari rupa. Like Vishnu's parikar parsad roop. Nice cloth, pitambar, yellow cloths and many ornaments, earring, necklace, and all Vishnu's know what decoration, this all type decoration is wearing. Bhusan patapit anupasyam gat, his color is dark, and forehand, chaturbhuj, visal bhujachari, unfolding hand, and stuti karat nayan bhari bhai. Too much stuting, lamenting, and departure. So this Katha, Shivji's Ram Katha also speaking to Parvati and saying, look, Prabhu, how is kind, how is merciful. Kid adham khag amis bhogi gati din jehi jachat jogi. Umate nar abhagi haritaji visay hohi anuragi. This vulture, very low birds, because vulture is not so high position. Because they eat animals, dead animals. And by service, he got which place big yogis, big tapasvis, big sadhan bhajan people not reach that place even. Very hard to reach there. Be to Bhagwan, Parsad, Parikars, followers. So these worldly people, they are very unfortunate who are not love to, who no serve to Prabhu, and too much attachment to material things. So see, Prabhu, how kind. If little attach, little love for Bhagwan, Bhagwan, he give everything, give his place, his bhakti, his everything, his mercy. Rama Lakshman is walking, crying. Then one Asuras, his name is Kamandha. Kamandha means just body, hand, but no mouth. His mouth was in his stomach. His was devotee's previous life, his Durvasa's disciple or something, some bhaktas. But his son did offend to Durvasa Munis, Agastha Munis. And then Agastha Muni gave him curse. So he became Asuras. But today Ramchandra killed him. Then he got his Gandharva form and he's telling, I did some aparat to Agastha Muni, this guy got this form. Then Bhagwan said, Sadhus Mahatma Brahmans, as type behave, but you don't be aggressive and angry against to them. Sapat tarat parus kahanta, vipra pujai gavai asa santa. If Brahman sadhus, sometimes cursing you, sometimes beating you, and very hardly telling, horses telling, no, very harsh. But you don't be unsatisfied. Don't try to revenge, just all tolerate. Because you do anyway, you cannot win to them. No? So they were doing this, all the thing that is mercy. That is good for me. This way Prabhu gave instructions after Ram Lakshman came to ashram of Sabari. Big Katha, Ram Kathas, no, like years speak, cannot finish. This every Katha in details, too much, but we are just briefly touching. Sabari is waiting many years. His Gurudev said, one day your house Ram will come, your kutis. So Gurudev word, Ram will come, Gurudev no. So see every day waiting. This 2-3 kilometers street cleaning every day. Prabhu will come my area, see my area is dirty. So we should our temple, our area every day clean nicely because they are Prabhu's playing, they are Prabhu's coming, they are Prabhu doing leelas. So this devotee's nature. So she's no using to broom on long hair because she very young age came no to bhakti. Her was big hair and she using that hair to cling to street. लंबी लंबी केसिया समरी गलिया बहारत रही है यही गलिया अयन भगवान हो समरी घर अयन. She is thinking this way Bhagwan will come my home. Then she taking grass, asan, chatai and nicely clean and putting उसके चटैया समरी झाड़ झाड़ बिछावत रही है यही पर बैठियन भगवान. When Ram Lakshman will come, they will sit this chatais and also bringing many plums, fruits, sweet मीठी मीठी बेरिया सबरी चख चख राखत रहिए यही फलवा खैयन भगवान और समरी करे. When Ram will come, then he will eat these fruits. All fruits collecting in basket. Ram Lakshman came and they are sabris. Welcome and saying, I am ladies, I don't know Shastra Siddhantas, I don't know any prayers, I am very low caste ladies, so what I can tell? And Ramchandra said, I don't see anything, I just see bhaktis. Who I no care to that. Where how much is bhakti, that way that devotee is controlled to me. So mother, I just one relation accepting, that is bhakti's relationship. Who has no bhakti, no any relation. In 11th canto, Bhagavan very clearly saying, Na sadhyati mam jogo, na sankhya dharma uddhava, na swadhyayas tapotyago, jatha bhakti mamorjita. Urjita bhakti, powerful bhakti, nirguna bhakti, anya bhilasita, sunya bhakti, kevla bhakti, ekantiki bhakti. Which bhakti no any demand. That bhakti, how much control to Bhagavan? Any sadhan, sankhya, yoga, dharma, karma, gyan, that is very weak. That way Bhagavan never control. But you have this type good affection, good heart, good mood for Prabhu's service. Bhagavan control by that. Bhakti control by that. So sabr is nothing, just pure bhakti, no gyan, nothing. Gyane prayasa mudapas. Namanteva jivanti sanmukhritam bhavdiye vartam asthane sthita suti gatam tanubang manuvrije praya swajita jitva pista strilok. So Ramchandra spoke to Sabri mother Nabdha Bhakti. And he described no Sravanam Kirtan, this Prahlad Maharaj, but Ramchandra at a different angle. Same thing on an angle speaking. Pratham Bhakti, Santan Kar Sangha, Dutiya Mama Rati Katha Prasanga. First Bhakti is associate your devotees. And second Bhakti is too much attached to Kathas. Too much serve to Guru Vaishnavas. Chant to your mantras. Sarva this all knows. All Bhaktis Ramchandra said. Sabri Devi very happy. They walked, then went to Pampa Sarovar. That Sarovar clean. This is big Kathas. Then just crying. Ramchandra and looking some deers are walking and they go to this side to that side. So he deer taking to he deer or going some another side. The Ramchandra saying to Lakshman, look, they are teaching to me. See deer telling to he deer, don't worry. We are normal deer. We are simple deer. They are came to look golden deer. So we are not golden, so we are not scared to this. Because there is special person, special deer looking. So we are not special. So this way teaching to me. Elephant and sea elephant together walking and teaching. We don't leave each other. Like many type Ramchandra speaking to Lakshman. Lakshman so much feel sad and too much satisfied. Pacifying to Prabhu. Prabhu, don't be like that. Keep patience. We will find out Sita Devi. If you lose your patience or like this, then we cannot. So we see our Sarupas. When Lakshman some tattva thing telling Ramchandra, that can become peace, no more lamenting. They walking, came to close Rismukh Parvat, mountain of Rishyamukh, name of that mountain. Sabri Devi said, you go there is Sugriva staying, and he can help you to find out Sita Devi. Because Ramchandra also asking to Sabri, and Sabri saying, go there, he will help. So they came that area. Sugriva is staying there with 5 mantris, ministers. There was Hanuman also. Hanuman so intelligent. Hanuman, another is very famous, that is Jamban, and also another 5. Jamban, Hanuman, these 2 favors, or some another like 5 mantris known his. So when Sugriv saw distantly Ram or Lakshman walking, their shoulder is very strong and their body is like this. And he's like hero, he's like big fighter, Kshatriyas, and also bow and arrows. Then he's so much scared, thinking this is Bali, some another plan. He like to beat me here. Find out who are there, who they are. Who can go? Then Hanuman came. Hanuman's one problem, he was very strong personality. From birth he was very strong. When he baby, one time mother went to forest, something bring fruits, and Hanuman feel very hungry. So looking on his own bed, no fruits, nothing, mother no here. Then morning early, so sun is rising. Thinking this nice apple, red apple and nice fruit. So he start to flying and going to very close to sun eating. At that time, Rahu also going to attack to sun, but this was solar eclipse. So Rahu hit Hanuman, then he's run away from there. His body is like thunderbolt. He went to Indra place saying, you giving me this opportunity, time to time you eat to sun, but today this another one monkey son, I cannot go to there. So Indra very angry, and he is hit by his Vajra. So hitting this area, Hanuman dropped, a chin dropped. Anyhow, then his father Pavan become very upset, and he stopped to air. That time all demigods too much suffer. Then Brahman all lamenting. Then Indra alive to Hanuman, and that time all demigods giving so much benedictions, and everyone giving own power. Also saying any Brahm Sap, any weapons cannot beat to you, cannot kill to you. All fail this time about mercy. So Hanuman become out of control. So he going Rishis Munis ashram, so too much making disturbance. Rishis, this Jalpatra taking or throwing in water, his cloth taking and breaking, his bhajan, then he moving his jata like many things. A Brahman curse, but no effect, because this was benediction, any curse, any weapons, no effect. The one Rishi is too upset, telling, okay, I curse you, your power, energy, forget. How much is strong, he cannot remember. Because this thing doing is feel so much strong. So he feel like one small baby. Your energy cannot realize. So that cause Hanuman, by curse, he's become follower of Sugriv. But according to his nature, he's very strong personality. He can beat to Bali. But he could not fight with Bali because he don't know his power, how much I have energy. This he just following to Sugriv. So Sugriv said, go and find out who they are. So Hanuman came. But he's very intelligent. Some cars don't know power, but too much no intelligence. He became Brahman, form of Brahmins, and came on very pure Sanskrit speaking. Ramchandra Singh, this Brahman, very nice. Asking, Kasmat hai to, kutra gachati? किस लिए कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Which cause, which purpose, where going? Then Ramchandra Singh, very simple. He no hard keeping any duplicity, no any politics. Very simply saying, we are son of Dasharatha Maharaj, We lost to our wife Sita Devi. We are looking for her. So like this. So when heard Hanuman, their son of Dasharatha Maharaj, he know Prabhu will come right dynasty and he become my worshipful deities. So Ramchandra everything nicely said on asking, oh Brahman, I spoke my kathas, my history, but you tell who are you? Very nice Brahman, very learned Brahman. Then Hanuman start to crying and floating on feet. एक मैं मंदु मोहबस कुटिल हृदय अज्ञान पुनि मोहि प्रभु विसारयो दीन बंधु भगवान. Saying I am Jivas, I am ordinary person. We are so man, so dull, and too much illusion, too much attachment. Our heart is so much crooked, so much ignorance, too much anarthas. So Jivas, simply, very simple way can forget you. But you asking to me, who are you? If you forget to us, then where will go? Jeev can forget, but Prabhu never forget to his servant. So Puni Prabhu Bisaryo Mohi Din Bandhu Bhagwan, you also forget me. More न्याय मैं पूछाऊं साईं, तुम पूछाई कस नर की नाई. If servant asked to Prabhu, who are you? Because servant no recognize. This is the logic. But Prabhu asked to servant, Bhagwan asked to Jivas, who are you? If Sanatan Goswami asking to Mahaprabhu, Kya mein kenya mein ja rahe tapatra hai, that is okay. But Mahaprabhu asked to them, then what servant answer? Then Ramchandra realized this Hanuman is very intelligent. First visiting, he saw his intelligent, how good ways talking, qualities. Then when Hanuman find out Ram is my Prabhu, he took them both shoulder. One side Ram, one side Lakshman, and saying, Prabhu, now no work because your servant just used to me. Give me some opportunity to your service. Brought to near Sugriv and make to friendship. Ramchandra said, Sugriv, don't worry, Sakha soch त्यागा हूं बल मोरे, सब विधि घटब काज मैं तोरे. You just see me and leave your all sad. Don't think. I will all type help what we need. Because I am your friend, and friends always friends sad, his sad, friend problem, friend's problem, his problem, his problem. But Sugriv still little doubt how he can help me, because Bali is not ordinary. Seventh palm tree who can shoot, he can on one Dudumbis Rachas, no, is no different. Is like mountain of bones who can destroy, he can kill two Bali. So Ram just one arrow shoot and is destroy, and also Tal destroy this, make whole. Then Sugriv realized, yes. Then Ramchandra sent to Sugriv saying, oh Bali, come out. Then Bali saying, Sugriv, this type language is speaking, what is that? Then Tara Devi saying, yes, because he's become friend of Ramchandra. Ramchandra fully support him, and also Ramchandra promise, I will kill two Bali. So my husband, he also surrendered to Ramchandra, saying no. Ramchandra, how can himself recognize I am his enemy and Sugriv is his friend? We are both brother. He no talk with me, on himself he making him friend, or like this, on his kill me. So anyhow, this is the Leelas. Time came, so Bali no hearing to Taras any bird, came to fight, saying, always I beat you, today also I will beat you. never come again this area. A big fight on Bali hitting very strongly his heart and he's run away from there. And saying, Prabhu is just looking this Leelas, this fight. It's no my brother, he's like death. Ramchandra is saying, I looking both same. So very confused. Who is Bali, who is Sugriv? This guy could not help you. And Ramchandra giving him garland and touching his body, giving full strength, mercy, power, then fighting. That time Ramchandra hid and shoot to Bali. Bali dropped. At that time very strongly talking to Ramchandra. धर्म हेतु अवतरे गोसाई मोहि मारहु व्याध की नाई मैं बैरी सुग्रीव ही प्यारा कारण कवन नाथ मोहि मार. Your avatars for protect to dharmas, establish to dharmas. Or dharma saying any enemy you like to kill, you have to challenge him, give him some chance to fight. I fighting with Sugriv and hidden way killed to me. Which cause? How Sugriv become your friend and I become enemy? Ramchandra said, your mistake, big mistake. This cause I kill you. अनुज बंधु भगनी सुतनारी सुनु सठ कन्या समचारी इन्हीं कुदृष्टि बिलो कहीं जोई ताहे बधे पाप नहीं होए. Who are brothers, younger brother's wife, own sister, son's wife and daughter, they four called daughter, and who are accept him like wife, this type sinful people's killing no any sin. So like this, so there are many talk, no. Bali still saying I am animals, monkeys, we don't know this dharma karma. He still know. But last thing I'm asking, still I am papi. He already shoot me. Now my last time, last moment. You are saying last time who are looking, darsani on chanting your name, they purify. So front you, I'm looking you, still I'm papi. Then Ramchandra saying, what you want? You can live long? Bali said, no. I don't want to live long, just want to your mercy. Janma janma muni jatan karahi ant ram kahi avat na. You see Muni's life and after life, doing many sadhan bhajan, but last moment when departing, no Prabhu coming, no name coming. But today name and Prabhu both are together. Take my son Angad, he's same like me, he will serve you. And Bali's own garland, what was given to Sugriv, then he departed. After Sugriv become king, Lakshman bent on giving him tilak. Ramchandra no went to cities because his promise I stay in forest, Banvas. Ramchandra said, okay, little time, wait and we will do. Sugriv saying, when you need, he call me or like this, do something. So that time was no hot season. So Sugriv went, Ramchandra came to Parvarsan Parvar, then start to rainy season. Visiting was hot season, then after start to rainy season, and rainy season Ramchandra is talking to my suppression, saying, Lakshman, these peacocks are dancing, and when their feathers making opening, spreading, then this looks like Kamdev's Cupid, and that all looks like arrows. All these feathers like arrow putting in Cupid, no? So like one arrow enough to kill or many arrow together if Kamdev shoot, then how can I like? This also, cloud is so pride, ghan ghamand, garjai ghan ghora. They so strongly sound making. So without Sita Devi is too much scared, too much afraid, like this stuff. This rains drop when touching to my body, this is so cold. But when touched, then I feel so hot, like hot water. This is suppression of Sita Devi. If I know where is Sita's, in one moment I can bring to her return. Even death, I can fight with death on return, but I don't know where she is suicide. Look, rainy season gone. Now autumn season came. वर्षा विगत शरद ऋतु आई, लक्ष्मण देखऊं परम सुहाई, फूले का सकल मैसा. All grass are no, this cast grass, flowers came, all flowers white. That means this autumn season giving message, now rainy season become old. Old age come, then these steps come. Rainy season all are very happy. This many, no, this Bhagavatam, this no so much time, no. Anyhow. But still Sugriv, no remember to me. Because he getting power and position. All bhogas. Who is Ram? So anyone when get power position, that time who give me what? No remember. Absorb one own happiness. So Lakshman, bring my arrow and bow. And which way Bali went, this way Sugri also go. Tomorrow I will destroy this monkey. He took help, but now become helpless. When Ramchandra like this, then Lakshman stand up. Then Ramchandra said, just go and tell to Sugriv, remember your friend's word? He said, I will help. When Sugriv visited to Ramchandra, that time Sugriv saying, now I no like and enjoy. I like day and night do your bhajan. अब कृपा करहूं वही भांति, सब तजी भजन करहूं दिन राति. Prabhu, give me this time mercy. I leave everything and day and night just do your bhajan. But when I got position, then forget bhajan. Day and night enjoy him. No chanting, nothing. So Lakshman, when he start to walk, Hanuman understood Lakshman is coming. He said to Sugriv, quickly. That time Tara Devi came and pleasing to Lakshman, and Sugriv quickly sent to monkeys all directions saying, invite everyone, and 15 days all monkeys come. Because he was king, all monkey, all bear, all fighter come, because we have to serve Ramchandra. Who will not come 15 days, I will send him Jamraj place. This is my order. So all direction, many monkeys start to come. And then Sugriv said to Lakshman, Prabhu, do you know this Visay's nature? Anyone getting Visay, forget everything. And we are monkey. Monkey means more bhogis. Even big learned, intelligent person lost all intelligence. So forgive me. I am ready. I am preparing to service to Prabhu. Just little time give me. See, then 15 days, 10 days, all monkeys came. And then Sugriv saw Ramchandra describing meeting what to do, send to all directions. So every direction monkeys are going. And order you go, any cave, any mountain, any rishis, munis, ashram, everywhere go and very carefully do this seva. This Ramchandra service. So find out Sita Devi, just see her and come, nothing to do. Just find out where she is. After Prabhu, what to do? So all monkey outside going, last Hanuman came. Then Ramchandra, no, Hanuman, do this seva. So last his earring, finger ring, give to Hanuman. Hanuman realized, my life is success. So all came, looking here, there, going on one mountain and one cave. There one lady sitting, they thirsty, taking water, asking to ladies. Ladies saying, don't worry, all take water and take fruits and go outside. He will see to Sita Devi's. And she came to Ramchandra place, pranam and went to her. She was some apsara something. Outside they came, then came bank of ocean. There they're talking too much, saying where Sita Devi is, who will help, where find out. Angad saying, my time is finished. Without looking Sita Devi return, then Sugriv Maharaj said, I will kill to them. He will kill that time when he killed to my father, but Prabhu protect me. Now who will protect? So he start to crying. Everyone talking like that. Then Jamban saying, don't worry, we are no servant of Ramchandra and we live coward nature. Leave this cowardly and keep atheism, be strong and don't be helpless. Just always keep high hope, high thought. Prabhu will help us. When they're talking too much Ramchandra pastimes, inside cave one vulture is by Sampati, brother of Jatau. He said, God is very merciful. I am old, cannot walk, cannot fly. My father is not burned by sun. Read this another one katha. So today morning early, so much breakfast came. Sometimes no one chapati, 2 days. Many monkeys. All monkeys saying, today life finished. Then they start to talking. This vulture, another was one vulture, Jatau. He did Ramchandra seva living body and he will kill to us. He no allowed to serve Ramchandra. Then Sampati saying, how you know my brother? Then all kathas telling. Then Sampati all katha also saying. And then he did some water giving to his brother and saying, you see, I can see because vulture vision so powerful. Sita is sitting in Lanka's one forest garden that called Ashok Vatikas. Who can cross this 100 jojans, oceans? He can see to Sita Devi. Who can? This is Prabhu's work, seva. I can help you, but I'm little old, no. But I just, this way helping is to go. All monkeys who will cross, some saying half, some saying quarter, some saying third. No anyone telling we cross fully. Angad saying, yes, I can. But problem returning time, I return or not, little doubt. Because going time is full energy, but returning time maybe tired or something, maybe I cannot return properly. So everyone talking like that Hanuman sitting one side, just keep quiet, thinking, I am nothing, I have no power, I am very weak, I am a small servant of Sugriv. If Angad not, then no one. Because he don't his power. That time Jamban no, then saying, Kahe riches, Sunau Hanumana, ka chup sadi raho balwana. That time Jamban saying, oh Hanuman, why silence? You don't know your power? Because this is said, who remind your power, that time can remember. When asking, don't know your power, Atulita Baladhamam Hema Sailava Deham, Danujavan Krisanu Gyani Namagraganyam, Sakal Gunidhanam, Vanana Ramadhisam, Raghupati Priya Bhaktam Bata Jatam Namam. Manojabam Marutulya Vegam, Jitendriyam Buddhi Matam Varishtam, Batatmajam Banarjutha Mukhyam, Sri Ramadutam Sarnam Prapad. When they remind, who are you? You are more fast than air. You are son of air. You are Jitendriya, you are so intelligent. You have so much power, so much energy. You are mountain. Your body is like thunderbolt. When hearing this whole thing, Hanuman becoming like bigger and bigger and bigger. All monkey looks like very small. It's like more than mountain Himalayas. And then saying, Jamban, you tell me what I to do. Proper advice give me. Then Jamban said, nothing to do, just go and see Sita Devi and this message pass to Ramchandra. Only this much do. After Prabhu's make plan and take to all us monkeys, he's all planning, our name come, glories come, Prabhu's this is Leelas. He can without us do everything, but just collecting us, giving to mercy. So Hanuman that climb one mountain, very huge mountain. Jai Sri Ram. Again Ramchandras, and he's feeling so energy and just jump from there. When jumping, then his feet so much is pressing to that mountain. Turanta gayo so patala turanta. When Hanuman jumped from that mountain to another side, oceans, this mountain going 1,000 meters down in Patallo, because cannot stay, that cannot hold his pressure, too much pressure. Demigods are watching, Hanuman is going. Hanuman feel tired. That time he sent to Mainak mountain, he was in ocean, inside. He came out telling to Hanuman, sit here, take water, take fruits, rest, then go. Hanuman said, no, I am doing Prabhu's seva. So before seva, I know like to my seva. So without Prabhu's sevas, no rest. I know feel tired because service gives so much energy. So he came, Hanuman just touching him, giving some respect and no staying. Demigod saying, Hanuman, so powerful, but he still need to test. He intelligent, no just energy. Sometimes energy not enough. With energy need to intelligent. Then one snake's mother, Sursa, very big. Demigod sent, go and test to Hanuman. She came and middle way of Hanuman stand up. Where are you going? Hanuman saying, just give me bay. No, I will eat you. Saying, mother, now give me chance to seva. After service, I will come your mouth. You can eat me. But service time, don't eat. Then saying, no, I will not leave you. Then 2-3 birds, Hanuman say, okay, eat me. And Sursa making one mouth like this. You are very small, I can eat. But Hanuman become like double. Because he's also read this, see this, no? Animal like him, so can be big. So like Sursa become 4 chosen, Hanuman become 8. When Sursa 16, then Hanuman become 32. When she becomes 64, then Hanuman become like how much she going more, double showing, and suddenly Hanuman become very small. And going inside mouth and came out. Saying, mother, I already went to your mouth, you already ate me, so now leave me. So Sursa saying, yes, you are intelligent. I test you, he will do this seva. So see benediction, then another Asuras, no, who catching to side was eating. Hanuman beat to him and went to Lanka. Lanka so beautiful. Banabag upavan sarbag sarita sohahi. So nice mountains and garden and ponds. And there are many Asuras, no, doing wrestling. Each other fighting, beating, and too much each other, no, shouting. And they eating to buffaloes and elephant and camels and donkeys. This type they have character, no, and drinking. So saying this type, sin people only touch to Prabhu's eros holy place, or this way they will purify. That is tirthas. Another no way. So Hanuman become very small and looking here there. Which way I can interest to Lanka? There was Lankani, demigods of Lankas. Brahma said him, very careful, which day monkey beat you, and he become unconscious, that time he understand Lankas no more stay. So Hanuman walking, Lankani came. Oh thief, what is doing? Don't know? I am collecting all thief on eating. This is my job. So today I got you. Night time, without permission, moving here, there. So Hanuman heard, saying, I meet to thief. Hanuman become very angry, saying, Ulta chor kotwal ko date. Understood? Thief. When policemen come, then thief, what call? Goes to jail. No. I was to means chastise to policeman. So means Raman's thief, he is kidnapped to Sita Devi. I am looking to Sita Devi, is my property. And Lankani is saying, oh thief, what is doing? I will eat you. So Hanuman, this bird, upset and very angry, and just one punch. When punch, then she fall down. Too much blood is coming, and she stand up and very fear and folding hand, saying, "Oh, Tat, today I find out you are servant of Ramchandra. I'm very lucky. This day Bhakta darshan I'm getting. This is mercy of Brahma. तात अपवर्ग सुख धैर्य तुलायक अंग तुलना ताहि सकल मिले जो सुख लब सके सब. This time Lanka is doing pranams. Hanuman went to Lanka and every area is looking. That time Hanuman's not looking any house and place, just looking all areas temple. Because where Sita Devi will stay, that is temple. So मंदिर मंदिर प्रति कर शोधा देखे जहां तह अग्नित जोधा. Hanuman going every temple. He went also Raman's area. There's not Sita Devi's Mandodari or something like that. He saw one different house. Mandir taha bhinna banawa. That house Ramajud Ankit Grah Sobha Barni न जाए नभ तुलसी का बृंद देखी हरस कपिराय. One house very nice. On top of door there's arrows, bows, mark. Ra and Ma written, one place Ra, another place Ma. Not together. Because Raman sometimes asking, what is this? Ram means what? Then Division saying Ram means Raman, Ma means Mandodari. But actually many Ram means Ram. But this way, no, who do Krishna bhajan, Ram bhajan, they're very clever. Hanuman so तुलसी also नव तुलसी का वृंद देख हरस कपिराय से लंका निश्चर निकर निवासा यहाँ कहाँ सज्जन कर बासा. Lanka means here full of asuras, no one sadhu. But here Tulsi's without devotees house, how can Tulsi without devotees, how can written Ram Sri Sri Guru Gaurango Jayata? Anything name Thakurji on Thakurji's weapons, no mark, it is Vaishnav's home, Vaishnav house. So Hanuman thinking Vaishnav darshan good, auspicious, because sadhu darshan never give any unauspicious. Sadhu se hoi na karaj hani. So Hanuman thinking I forcefully make him friend of darshan, I take darshan. But how can go? So Hanuman very intelligent, immediately become one Brahmans. Went inside, Jai Ram, Sri Ram, like something talking. That time Vibhishan also wake up, and he also Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Din Dayal Prabhu Ajodhya Nath. He will give mercy like this talking. Then Hanuman start to talk. Hey, how he stay to Lanka like this? Saying Hanuman, how can say I stay Lanka like 32 teeth inside tongue. Like this step. Very humbly staying. But today I very fortunate. Prabhu had too much mercy for me. Abha bharos mohi bhayo Hanumanta. Bina Hari Kripa milahi nahi sant. If Prabhu's no mercy, how I can take your darshan? That time Hanuman saying this not too much time after you can see visit to Ram Prabhu, but now tell me where is Janki Mata? My main goal, I want to see Janki. So Vibhishan big help telling go to Ashok Vaटिkas. There's Janki Matas, they're not chanting Ram, 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 Ram. Hanuman went there, this big kathas, no? And Hanuman just hiding one trees, what to do, how to visit, how to see, just thinking. That time Raman came, he's too much shouting to Janki Devi, he's too much telling Janki Devi. Just by creepers or some leaves making hide and saying, "Oh Raman, this is my promise. This your sword can come my neck, otherwise Prabhu's hand can come on my neck. No anything else. Because only sunlight can blooming to Kamalinis, lotus. If thousand stars shining, they cannot bloom by that light. Lotus never open. So you are like one star, or Ramchandra is like one sun. So without Ramchandra darshan, no one can take my anything. I like to just visit to my Prabhu." So Raman very angry. I am star, Ram is sun. So he take out sword or like to cut Sita Devi's head. That time Mandodari said, Prabhu, what doing? This is not proper way. Then Raman give time. 1 month you cannot hear me, I will cut your head and make pieces and give to all. Like this stuff. Making so much. That time Hanuman very angry, like to jump, his whole body is fire coming. But Ramchandra's no order. Ramchandra said, don't make any disturbance, just see Sita Devi and come after. So when Raman gone, that Trijata saying to Sita Devi, don't worry, I saw in dream, one monkey came, he burned to Lanka. Raman is head is shaving, he's sitting on donkeys, his whole hand is cutting, head is cutting, and he go to south direction, Jamraj place. Hanuman saying, what? Still Lanka is not burning. I came just for this. Rasi is telling one monkey came, he burned Lanka. That means this is like one permission, burn to Lanka. Hanuman, that time sitting, and Rajsi, Trijatas want to go. Sita Devi asking, before going, arrange to some fire. I like to burn because too much this torture or suppression, I cannot tolerate. Then Trijata saying, night time no fire, and don't keep your patience. Don't lose your patience. Just wait. Keep dharja, Prabhu will come. I can see all these good things. That time Sita Devi asking to sky, stars give me fire, asking to creepers, kalikas, like flower before flower opening. But you looks like fire, just give one piece of fire. That time Hanuman dropped this, because Sita Devi that time 1 second becoming one jugas. When Sita Devi saw this shining ring, then saying, oh, my prayers heard sky. He dropped me fire. So now I can burn. But when looking, this is not fire, this is ring of Ramchandra. Saying this ring by Maya cannot make. Who can bring here? Because I am which place? Here anybody coming, no easy. What is this? That time Sita Devi asking, who are? Come front. Hanuman jump, came, holding hand. Then Sita is too much scared. Now Raman making another roop. And now like to another way torture. And start to all talking Ram Kathas. Ram Gun Varnan lage, but his Kathas, like purities. Because he's pure devotees of Ramchandra. If someone no devotees or speak Katha, then his Katha just banavti. So it's not too much attractive. But this Kathas, when Sita Devi hearing, then her all pain is going off. All sadness going. Ram gun varnan laga sunat siya kar dukh bhaga. So Sita Devi speaking, thinking this Katha is not ordinary Kathas. On speaker is not ordinary. But how I can believe? Then asking, you are monkey, is human, how you become friend, everything telling all Kathas. Ram Dut Matu Mai Janki Sat Sapat Karuna Nidhan. Devotees never any small situation promised to Prabhu. But today Hanuman, how can make Sita Devi believe I am servant of Ramchandra? Then saying, I promise to Prabhu Karuna Nidhan Ram, I am his servant, I am his Dut. Ram Dut Matu Mai Janki Sat Sapat Karuna Nidhan. Then Sita Devi realized, okay. Then all Kathas telling. Then Hanuman said, mother, I long distance came, hard work. So according to service, according to work, hungry also coming that much. And here many nice fruits, varieties of fruits. So just I want your permission. If mother order, then this child can eat something. Then saying, Hanuman, you are small. How I can permit you go and eat these all fruits? Don't know these fruits, even Indras and big demigods, they cannot touch. This garden, when air going, very careful. No making strong beam, no dropping one flowers, one bird, one fruits, one branch. If do, then Raman kill him. All is care. And you are small. Also Hanuman said, Mother, if order, I can take you. How possible you take me? You take, see how big asuras, they allow you. That time Hanuman thinking, Mother don't know. So he's remembering to Ramchandra, so he become very big. Parvatakar Sarira. Then Sita Devi believed and saying, okay, go, eat fruits. On Ramchandra will come, then he will take to me. Hanuman bent. Many, what called garden keepers are, they are keeping to this garden. Hanuman went 5-10 fruits eating, stomach full. After stomach full, then monkey's nature, taking 10-20 fruits and throwing to asuras who are gardeners. They they also know not too much strong eating, so they think, what is this looking here there? Then Hanuman some breaking branch and some pulling tree and throwing like that. They become very angry, start to fight. In 5 minutes, खाए से फल अरु बिटप उपारे रक्षक maradi mahi dare. Eating and also pulling trees, and who are asuras coming, beating everyone, killing. And all run to Raman. Raman sent to Achay Kumar. Achay Kumar came. Hanuman just one slap and it's finished. Then Meghnad came. Meghnad big fight. Last is using to Brahmastra. Hanuman thinking, if I break this thing, then this glories will go off. Any astra cannot kill to him. So he's tired by that on another lila, no, because he liked to see Raman. I'm thinking this is good way. Go too close to Raman. Otherwise, go too close Raman, very difficult. So this way he went to that area. Raman sitting there, big asanas. Indra's folding hand. Jamraj, Varun, Kuber, all are no. But Hanuman, that area, no scare. He's looking like one old elephant, one young lion. Like this. His eyes, his body language, no, what called? Very like bold. Raman saying, oh monkey, you look very bold. Who are you? कहा लंकेश कवंते किसा केही के बल घा नहीं बन खीसा. From where came? What your identity? And by whose power you make my garden this type disturbance? You don't know about me? You know heard about me? Many things Raman telling. Then Hanuman saying, जाके बल लवदेश से जीता हूँ चराचर झारी तासु मैं दूत हरि आना हूँ प्रिय नारी. Or Raman, whose power just one drop he got, who is the oceans of power, or that oceans of power one drop you got, or that power using and he defeat to whole world. He control to everyone. Fire under you, air under you, sun under you, all demigods under you, because this is power of his. Save balam balilam chapare, some like Prahlad Maharaj same bit. So I am that Prabhu's doot, messenger, which Prabhu's wife you kidnap, stole. Remember, I came by him, send my Prabhu. Then Raman saying, okay, you are doot, but why not you barking like doot? Saying, what I did wrong? Why broke my gardens, and why killed to my son and my all soldiers? Then Hanuman very simple way answer. Khai se phal lagi ati bhukha. Too much hungry, so I ate. Because hungry, what can do? And kapi sobhav torai rukha. Monkey's nature, they know just eating, also breaking. Any monkey, anything give it, after also start to disturb. So my nature, eating or breaking. And your soldiers start to beat me. Everyone, when beat, then feel pain. Every person like own self protects. So who beating me? I beating them. And after that, your son came and bound to me, but I no feel any shame because I am servant of Prabhu. The Raman too much. Starting very strong word to Hanuman. Hanuman that time saying, you just return to Sita Devi's. This way you're auspicious. You have everything good. Nice thing you got. But one bad thing, all nice destroy. That is, you are engaged to Ramchandra. Ram Vimukh Sampati Prabhutai Jai Rahe Pai Binu. So Hanuman many things teaching, or Raman saying this monk is teaching to me. Hey, who can fight with me? Your party anyone have? This Ram or Lakshman, they are too much suffered to Sita's. Ram is suffering by Sita Devi, Lakshman is suffering by his brother, so they are very weak. Jamban very old, Nal Nil, they are very old. Who can fight like this? Many this type talk. So Hanuman saying, your time is came. This guy speak like that. Raman saying to Hanuman, your time came, because you are what is speaking. Or Hanuman saying, your time came. So Raman become very angry of saying to kill this monkey. It's too much talk. So all Asuras together, taking weapons like to beat him, kill him. That time Vibhishan came and said, no, this is the against to law. Any messenger, according to Shastra, cannot beat Niti Virodhana Mariya Duta. Because if kill him, then he cannot pass his message to his Prabhu. In Shastra saying, if Duta make problem, then some another punishment give, but cannot kill. If kill, then message is stopping. On Shastra not allowed, Niti not allowed like that. One hero, one real king cannot do like that. So another punishment give. Then Raman think, oh, this one good punishment. Kapi ke mamta puch par, savai kahi samjhai, tel bari pat bandi puni dehu pavak lagai. Monk is too much affection to his tail. So just burn his tail. He go without tail his Prabhu, then he bring to his Prabhu. Hanuman is smiling, saying, yes, now Saraswati helping to you. So they making many jokes, they beating to Hanuman by feet, by hand, too much disrespecting, and his tail putting cloth. Hanuman make big body puch kini kapi khela. He make his tail very long and long and long. So Lanka's all cloth finish, all ghee and all oil finish. Everything came his tail. And after when they put fire, Hari Prerit Tehi Avsar Marut Chala 49 bond start, and Hanuman jump to Lanka's tail, putting this side, this area burn, then putting another side, ulati polati kapi Lanka jai. All are crying, protect, but who can protect? Sadhu abhagya kar phal aisa, jarahi nagar anath kar jaisa. Because Hanuman is big sadhu, so big disrespect, this cause this forest, this Lanka is burning. Jara Nimis, all Lankas in 5 seconds, 10 minutes burn. Only Vibhishan house not burn. On Hanuman not burn. Because Takar Bhak, Anal Jai Sirja, Jarana Soy Tehikar Karan. After Hanuman's jump on his ocean, on this tail, fire stopped, came to Sita Devi's holding hand, saying, Mother, how Prabhu give me this ring, this way something give me. But presentation, then I can prove I went to Sita Devi's and I took your dust. So अब मातु मोहि दीजिए कछु चीन्हा, जैसे मोहि रघुनायक दीना. चूड़ा मणि उतार दयो, तब दयो हर सुत पवन सुत लयो, कहूँ तात मोर अस प्रनामा, सब प्रकार प्रभु पूरन कामा. दीन दयाल बिरद संभारी, हरहु नाथ मम संकट. So Sita Devi is giving chuda manis, this neck, head decoration, and saying, tell to my Prabhu's pranam, is complete, he no need anything, but I have his feet is everything. He is so kind, He's hearing his devotees' word. So when he come and he take my all sad, all problems. Hanuman jumped, came to Ram place. Ram asking how he burned to Lanka, how to Sita Devi's. Lanka means Raman's house, Raman's fort. How you can burn? Then Hanuman, very humble way saying, Prabhu Prasanna Janav Hanumana, Bola Bachan Bigat Abhiman. Saying, Prabhu, I am monkey. A monkey is nothing doing big things. A monkey jump here to there. So Sakha Mirga Karehi Prabhuta. I jump to Lanka, here to there and burn. So it's not my Prabhuta. This is your Prabhuta. Because your mercies, one small snake can eat to Gadur, small can eat to Kal, one cotton can burn to big fire. Anything can be known. Ram Kripa Kari Chitva Jahi, Gadur se Moru Renu Samatahi, Gopas Sindhu Anal Sitanai. Every impossible possible by your mercy. It's not my that. Ram saying, Hanuman, your service I cannot return. I'm raising on hand, putting to his head and full mercy give to Hanuman. Prabhu kar pankaj kapi ke sisa sumri sudasa magan gauris. After all came to bank of oceans, all armies came. They are doing prayers. That time Vibhishan also came because Vibhishan when Hanuman burned Lanka teaching too much Raman. So I think today so much time. I think today all finished, but could not. So how Vibhishan visit to Ramchandra, Saranagati. तू दयालु दीन हो तू दानी हो भिकारी हो प्रसिद्ध पातकी तू पाप पुंजहारी नाथ तू अनाथ सो अनाथ कौन मोसो मोह समान आरत नहीं आरत हर तो सो ब्रह्म तू है जीव तू है ठाकुर हो चेरो तात मात सखा गुरु तू सब विधि है तू मेरो तो ही मोहि नाते अनेक मानिए जो भावे ज्यों त्यों तुलसी कृपालु शरण चरण पावे ये दास चरण शरण पावे. This revisions or prayers, good is mood we will hear next Thursday. Today this katha will last, but not possible. So one katha will maybe more, but that will Thursday. आपदाम अपहंतारम दातारम सर्व संपदाम लोकाभिरामम श्री रामम भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्. वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिंधुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय. श्री राम लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न लाल जू की जय. श्री राम कथा की जय. श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे पवन सुत हनुमान की जय.